Good morning all of you. I am Rajiya Pathan from Gyanmanjari Vidhyapith, standard 5th. So students, today we'll start unit number 1. In that unit we'll start multiplication round of exam. So before the starting that, I'll show you one video. You have to look at this video.
Rounding off to the nearest 10,000. Hello friends, meet Ramu uncle. He wants to buy a second-hand auto that costs 50,735 rupees. The owner has asked Ramu uncle to round off the amount to the nearest 10,000 and pay. Now, what does round off mean? Round off means to find the closest number. Let's help Ramu uncle to round off 50,735 to the nearest 10,000. Our first step is to find the rounding off digit. Can you tell which one is the rounding off digit? 5 is in the ones place. 3 is in the tens place. 7 is in the hundreds place. 0 is in the thousands place. And 5 is in the 10,000s place. And we are rounding off the number to the nearest 10,000. So, 5 is the rounding off digit because 5 is in the 10,000s place. What should we do next? We have to find the digit to its right. Which place value is towards the right of 5 here? Yes, it is the thousands place. And we have 0 in this place. Now, let's apply the rounding off rule. For this, we will check if the digit to the right is equal to 5, less than 5, or greater than 5. Since 0 is less than 5, we will keep the rounding off digit the same, and all other digits to the right will become 0. Therefore, when 50,735 is rounded off to the nearest 10,000, we get 50,000. So, Ramu uncle will pay rupees 50,000 for the auto. Now, what if the digit to the right of the rounding off digit is more than 5? We know when the digit to the right of the rounding off digit is 5 or greater than 5, we will add 1 to the rounding off digit. That means 5 will become 6. And all the other digits to the right will become 0. That means 56,735 is rounded off to 60,000. We learned in the beginning that to round off means to find the closest number. Thus, when 50,735 is rounded off, we can see that it is closer to 50,000. This is the reason why we keep the rounding off digit the same when the number to the right of the rounding off digit is less than 5. Likewise, when 56,735 is rounded off, we can see that it is closer to 60,000. And this is why when the digit to the right of the rounding off digit is 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to the rounding off digit. So students, now you can round off numbers to the nearest 10,000 by following 3 steps. Find the rounding off digit. Find the digit to its right. And apply the rounding off rule. Happy learning!
Good. So Now students, you already look at one video about the round off. Now we'll start worksheet number 16. In that worksheet, round off of 57,735 and 50,735 is there. So first of all, we have a round off digit. So round off digit is 5. Round off of digit 10,000 is there, and then we have to find the 10,000 round off of digit in the 10,000 place is there. So that one is a 5 is there. So digit of the right 1000 is the 5. Then we have to now look at this. 6 is the more than 5 is there. Greater than 5 is there. So we have to add one digit in the 1000 place. So there is a 6000 is there. Okay, and then when 15,735 is there, so digit to right 1000 place is there. So 0 is the less than 5 is there. So we have to put same as it is. So answer is 5,000, 15,000 stay same and others numbers are 0. So answer is 15,000. Like that you have to see in the video. Now students will start worksheet number 17, page number 21. That I'll show you. So you have to get the more idea about the round off of largest number. Okay, so we'll start that. Now students will start standard 5th subject maths, worksheet number 17. Worksheet number 17. In that worksheet, heading is multiplication rounding off. Multiplication rounding off. In that, question number 1 is round off each number to the place value specified. In that A1 question is round one lakhs 68,356 to the nearest thousand. So answer is 1,17,000. Answer is 1,17,000. Now B1 question. Round 76,340 to the nearest thousand. So answer is 76,000. Okay students, now next one is round of 9,92,490 to the nearest lakhs. Now first of all we have to find the thousand place. That thousand place is less than 5 or greater than 5. So thousand place is greater than 5, so we have to add the lakhs place. That means 1 lakhs is there. That means answer is 1 lakhs is there. Then round off 2,22,702 to the nearest 10,000 is there. So 2 is the less than 5, so we have to write here 2,20,000. We have to write here 2,20,000 is there. Then round of 7,782 to find the nearest 1,000 is there. So students, we have 7 is in the 1,000 place. 7 is more than greater than 5 is there. Greater than 5 is there. So we have to write here 8,000. Then round off of 2 lakhs 21 lakhs 2,40,685 to the nearest 100,000. We have to find nearest 100,000. So answer is 2 lakhs is there, because of 1 is the less than 5. 1 is the less than 5. Round of 5,406 to the nearest 1,000 is there. The 4 is the less than 5. So here we have to write the 5,000. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next questions. So next question is round 16,824 to the nearest 10,000 is there. So 6 is more than 5 is there, greater than 5. So we have to 8 in the 1,000 place. So here 1 is the 1,000 place. So here we have to write 20,000. Round of 7,43,244 is there. 54 is there. To nearest 1,000 is there. So we have to write here 7,43,000. We have to write here 7,43,000. Now round of 2,26,134 to nearest lakhs we have to find. So 10,000 place less than 5 is there. So here we have to write 2 lakhs. What we have to write? 2 lakhs. Then round of 2,99,007 to the nearest 10,000. So 9 is the more than 5. So here we have to write 3 lakhs. What we have to write? 3 lakhs is there. Round of 3,55,325 to the nearest 100,000. So 5 is the equal to 5 is there. So we have to add once in the lakhs place. So answer is 4 lakhs is there. Answer is 4 lakhs is there. Then round of 5,88,250 to the nearest lakhs we have to find. So 8 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1. So here answer is 6 lakhs is there. Then round off 56,000 to nearest the 10,000. So 6 is more than 5 is there. So we have to add 1. Answer is 16 lakhs. Answer is 16 lakhs. Round off 61 lakhs 81,076 to the nearest lakhs we have to find. So answer is 62 lakhs is there. Answer is 62 lakhs is there. Then round off 43,300 to the nearest 1,000. So answer is 43,000 is there. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, remain 2 are there. Round off 81,180 to the nearest 1,000. So answer is 81,000. And round off 1,96,205 to the nearest 10,000 is there. So we have to write here 2 lakhs. Now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 17, and that worksheet you have to send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Your homework is you have to complete this worksheet and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.